Hi, I'm Michael Bosey, and this is the last part of the series where I'm pulling back the curtain on my business, which I started about 9 months ago. And my hope is that by exposing the process, my thought process, my learning process, that hopefully you could get something out of it too. Now, I'd like to focus today on one of the constituencies of mine, or one of the supposed ones, which was entrepreneurs. As I said in the first segment, I started off with the assumption that I would help three different constituencies. And I said this right on my website. I help authors, I help publishers, I help entrepreneurs. So let's focus on the entrepreneurs. I thought that this was a reasonable assumption just because in the last 5 years in my career, I participated directly in two startups. I was an early joiner at both, about number 6 or so, joining a brand new venture. Both of which who were trying to do something new in the publishing realm, something that hadn't been done before, and of course something that was powered by technology. And I learned a great deal in that time, living it in the trenches, as it were. We made a lot of mistakes and had a lot of good victories too. And all of those were important to me, figuring out what it is that makes a startup tick. And I thought, hey, I could help folks who are making, similar companies try to do that. And in addition to that, I also mentor some young companies here in the Boston area and, give them my experience as well. And, I see common mistakes that these startups make, some things that are just I just see over and over and over again. And what I hope to do is to try to help them avoid some of those mistakes, to learn from some of the mistakes that I made. So building my business, I thought, let me help these folks, right? Let me, I've written a series on content strategy for entrepreneurs. I've tried to help entrepreneurs who are building their own business, try to build a platform using a content strategy. And this can be really good and a really good match, sort of. Here's why I say that. One, most startups who are entrepreneurial are trying to build something and they need an audience. All right, so that's really in line with what I'm trying to do, right? If you're a business that's like mine, for instance, a consulting business, it's not really an entrepreneurial venture. It's consulting is not really scalable. You have to move to sort of an agency type model. That's about the best that you can do to try to scale it up. But most entrepreneurs that I work with are actually building a product with aims for that to become something big. And if that's the case, then, well, obviously you need an audience, not just an audience of potential customers, though that's really nice. But you need, if you're starting off from scratch, you need an audience to be advocates for you. To have your early adopters become your sales force. So you really do need an audience. And that right there is really in concert with the services that I offer. Now, the second thing is that you need to do this through writing. And this is where there's a sort of a fissure in who I can serve, right? So those folks who, one, believe that you can do that, you're going to make these connections with your audience over content, great. Though there are folks and certain businesses that they're not going to connect that way. Their businesses are going to be run with personal contact, or it's going to be more hand-to-hand, as it were, and are not going to need as much of a content strategy. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't need content. I would say even any contact that you have with a customer, be it email or in person, I mean, you've got to have good content. You got to have your pitch down, and you've got to help take a client or a customer through the buying process. But you may not need a multi-tiered content strategy that goes from sort of producing a book or a blog or something that's sort of long or medium form to social connections, which is the thing really that's the sweet spot of what I do. So I would say that I can help entrepreneurs, but only in the case where, one, you need an audience. That's probably going to be the case for you. But then two, where you think you're going to be able to do that over a multi-layered sort of holistic content strategy. The ones who are not going to do that, I probably can't help you. That doesn't mean that you can't get help from someone else to sort of build the marketing part of your business, but that's probably not something that I can help you with. And so my intent is to be writing some pieces around that are a lot more clarified now in my own business of what I can offer, who I can serve, and most importantly, who I can't. So I hope that you found this little series to be helpful. It was helpful for me to do it and to think through all this. So I appreciate you listening. And stay tuned at my website, which is michaelbosey.com. Thank you.